Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine. Yes. Natansh, how are you? Natansh, Shiven, Kritigya, Dishita, Shabad, Manmeet, Ankit, Abhinav, Vansh. How are you, Vansh? Fine. So let's start. Today I am going to start chapter number 1. The name of chapter is Knowing Our Numbers. Fine. First of all, I will explain the concept of natural numbers. Natural numbers. Anyone? You know what is the meaning of natural numbers? If you know the meaning of natural numbers, raise your hands. Anyone? Natansh. Unmute yourself, Natansh.
मैम जिसमें जीरो नहीं होता
जिसमें जीरो
मैम उनमें बस वो वाले में जीरो नहीं होता बाकी सारे नंबर्स होते हैं
नेम फर्स्ट नंबर
1
very good. So natural number, collection of numbers start from 1. Starting number is 1. Collection of numbers, and whenever you will write collection now, always use this curly bracket. One more time I am going to repeat. Whenever you will write collection of numbers, any kind of numbers, then you will write the collection under the curly bracket. Set. This is known as set. So natural numbers. Natural numbers are those numbers that start from 1. 1 is the first natural number. So 1, after 1 we have 2, after 2 we have 3, after 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Curly bracket. Natural number is a big set, big collection of numbers, and collection you will always write under the curly bracket. Curly bracket is important. You will not put this simple bracket. Fine. Now 1 is the first natural number. If I am talking about the first natural number, then the first natural number is equal to 1. And what about the last natural number? Last natural number. Anyone? You know which number is the last natural number? Anyone? If you want to reply, raise your hands. And students, for better interaction, this is my request, kindly on your video. Kritigya, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, the last natural number is 1000.
The last natural number is, please repeat.
Ma'am, 1000.
1000. Okay. Then next we have Komal. Komal, unmute yourself.
9.
Last natural number.
9.
9. Shabad, this is 6th class. Shabad from the class 5th C. This is 6th class period. You are from which class, Shabad? Yes, Manmeet, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, 0.
0? Natural number में dear 0 तो आता ही नहीं है. 0 is not included in the set of natural numbers. Natural numbers will start from 1. There will be no role of 0 in the natural number. Look here, after 1 we have 2, after 2 we have 3, after 3 we have 4, so on. This set is uncountable. Uncountable means we are not able to count the numbers in natural numbers. This set is, if I'm talking about this set, then this set is uncountable. Uncountable means we are not able to count. So last natural number, we are not able to determine the last natural number. As this set is uncountable, so not possible to determine the last natural number. So last natural number, here you will write not possible to find or not possible to determine. Why? The reason is, बेटा ये start तो 1 से होता है, end नहीं होता. This is continue. We have uncountable numbers. In our number system, we have uncountable numbers. जिसकी काउंटिंग नहीं है कोई भी. So that's why start तो ये 1 से हुआ, पर end कहाँ पे होगा? We don't know. As this is uncountable, so you will write first natural number or smallest natural number is 1. Last natural number or greatest natural number not possible to find. Manmeet, this thing is clear to you?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, note down. Note down this thing in your rough notebook now, and after that note down this thing in fear also. Note down and write down in the chat box, then I will start next concept. If in exam you will observe in the set of natural number we have how many numbers, then either you will write uncountable or finite. Write anything, sorry, infinite, not finite, infinite. Infinite means uncountable, not able to count. Next we have, this thing is done. Next we have comparing of numbers. Comparing of numbers. Comparing. Comparing means to check that which number is bigger or which number is smaller. This is the meaning of comparing. Now come to the page number 2 from your book. Page number 2, try these. From your maths book, open page number 2. On page number 2, you will observe try these. And try these is based on find the greatest and the smallest numbers. Find the greatest and the smallest number. This is the question. And first part is 382, 4,972, 18, 59,785 and 750. Comparing. Comparing means to find which number is greatest and which number is smallest. Now, greatest number. Greatest number, and next we have smallest number. You know now, whenever we will write the short form of number, this dot is compulsory. Anyone, if you want to reply, raise your hand. From this collection, here we have 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are given. Which number is the greatest number and which number is the smallest number? Divya, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me the greatest number.
Greatest number is 59785.
59785. Yes,
59,785.
very good. So this is 59,785. And which number is the smallest number?
18.
Yes, very good. This is the smallest number. So ये हमने क्या किया? Compare किया. Comparison of numbers to check that which number is greatest and which number is smallest. Very good. And anyone? Next we have Ranesh. Unmute yourself, Ranesh. Yes. Ranesh, are you hearing me?
Ma'am, 89423 is the number.
Ranesh, speak loudly. No. Angel Preet, unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Angel Preet, my question for you is, on what basis we compare numbers? What is the requirement if we want to check that smallest number or greatest number? हमने यहाँ
Ma'am, we have to compare them.
no, we have to compare them on what basis? This is my question for you. हमने इनको कंपेयर किया, कैसे किया, किसको देख के किया? Any other? Very good, Divya. On the basis of places. Well done. If we want to check that smallest number and the greatest number, then we will check the places. Very good. So, a number in which you will observe more places is the greatest number. More places. Look here. In this, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. We have places up to 10,000s. So this is greatest. And in this, we have places up to tens only. This is ones and this is tens. Finish. So to compare, we will compare numbers on the basis of places. A number in which you will observe more places is the greatest number. Fine. Now students, on this page, on the same page here, try these are given here also. And these A, B, C, D, these try these are your homework parts. Note down these. On page number 2, in the lower portion, 4 parts are given to you. Try these. So these questions are your homework part only these. Fine. Now come to the next. Next, I am going to explain digits. Before that, one more question. Before digits, one more question on the upper part. Second question, 1473, 89,423, 100, 5,310. Again, the question is based on comparing. Fine. So tell me the greatest number and the smallest number. Greatest number and the smallest number. Anyone? Shivain, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, Shivain. Tell me the greatest number.
That's 89,000. 89,423.
Very good. 89,423. And tell me the smallest number.
Ma'am, 100.
100. And what is the name of this method in which you will find the greatest number or smallest number?
Ma'am, comparing the digits.
Very good. Comparing the numbers, not digits. We are comparing the numbers. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now next, I am going to explain the concept of digits. Students, you know in maths we have how many digits? Yes, anyone? If you know, then write down in the chat box. Very good, Shiven and Kratigya. Well done. Yes, very good, Divya. Divya, not up to 10, up to 9 digits. In maths, we have digits from 0 to 9, single. Single is digit. 1 0 is double digit, and that is a number. Double digit is a number. I am talking about digit. Digits are single. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All are digits. Now, whenever you will write 10, 10 is not a digit. 10 is a 2-digit number. ये number है, ये digit नहीं है. ये क्या है? Number. Digit is always single. 0 is a digit. 1 is a digit. 2 is a digit. 3 is a digit. 4 is a digit. 5 is a digit. 6 is a digit. 7 is a digit. 8 is a digit. And 9 is a digit. Okay? तो जब डबल हो गया तो वो डिजिट नहीं होगा, वो फिर नंबर बन जाएगा. जब मैंने 1 और 0 2 डिजिट्स को कंबाइन कर दिया, देन आई विल गेट अ नंबर. ये नंबर है, ये डिजिट नहीं है. सो इन टोटल वी हैव 10 डिजिट्स इन मैथ्स. हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स इन मैथ्स? इन मैथ्स वी हैव 10 डिजिट्स फ्रॉम 0 टू 9. Note down. In total, we have 10 digits from 0 to 9. Write down. After writing, tell me. Then I will explain the formation of greatest number and the smallest number. How to make greatest number or how to make smallest number. And we have already done the concept in class 5th also. The formation of the greatest number and the formation of the smallest number. Now come to the page number 3. Page number 3. Try these. Question number 1. Use the given digits without repetition. A part 2874. Now, my question is for anyone. Advika, unmute yourself. Advika Malhotra.
Yes, ma'am.
Advika, 2874. What is this 2 here? In this question, what is this 2 here? This question from page number 3. Try this question number 1 A part. 2874. What is this 2? ये 2 क्या है? Just now I explained na, from 0 to 9 we have what? Very good Chaitanya. Digit. 2 is a digit. 2 क्या है यहाँ पे? 2 एक digit है. Yes. आपकी बुक में लिखा हुआ है. Check your book. Check the heading. Use the given digits. मैंने अभी आपको क्या बताया? 0 से लेके 9 तक सिंगल को हम क्या बोलते हैं? डिजिट. 2 is single. So 2 is a digit here. Comma means next. 8 is single. So 8 is digit here. Then next. 7 is single. So 7 is digit here. Check the question. Use the given digits without repetition. Make the greatest and the smallest number. So the question is to make greatest number and smallest number. अगर मैंने आपसे पूछा है what is 2 here, then you will say 2 is digit. What is 8 here? 8 is a digit. What is 7 here? 7 is a digit. What is 4 here? 4 is a digit. Okay. Now, stop writing. After that, I will give you time for writing. Now, listen to me very, very carefully. If the question is based on to form greatest number, then you will start with greatest digit. Keep in your mind. To from the greatest number, you will start with greatest digit. Now, which digit is the greatest digit? 8. So, first of all, you will write 8 here. And the condition given to you is you will not repeat any digit. No repetition. 8 used, so remove it from the list. Now, out of 274, greatest digit is 7. Remove 7 from the list. Out of 2 and 4, 4 is greatest. Now 2. So this is the greatest number. So keep in your mind, to write the greatest number, you will start with the greatest digit. Fine. Now come to the smallest. Smallest is the reverse of greatest. To write the smallest number, you will start with the smallest digit. Okay. So which digit is smallest? 2. After 2, 4. After 4, 7. Then 8. Like this. So this concept is very important. The formation of greatest and the formation of smallest number whenever the digits are given to you. To write the greatest number, you will start with the greatest digit. To write the smallest number, you will start with the smallest digit. This thing. Okay? Note down. After that, I will explain next question. After writing, tell me in the chat box. Yes, Sevak, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, yes.
You raised hand. What happened? Yes, students, you have done. Yes. Good. Now come to the next. First question, C part. First question, C part. 4, 7, 5, 0. Same question. Without any repetition, use the given digits to form greatest number and the smallest number. So greatest number, smallest number. Yes. Anyone, if you want to reply? Komal, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, the greatest number is 7540 and the smallest number is 4057.
Now, Komal, tell me, in the previous question, I have explained to write the greatest number, we will start with the greatest digit. And to write the smallest number, we will start with the smallest digit. Now, the smallest digit is 0. तो हमने 0 से क्यों नहीं start किया? 4 से क्यों start किया? What is the reason? What is the reason, dear? मैंने अभी बताया था ना, to write the smallest number, you will start with the smallest digit. Now 0 is smallest. आपने 0 से तो start ही नहीं किया. आपको तो ऐसे लिखना चाहिए था 0, 4, 5, 7. आपने तो ऐसे लिखा ही नहीं. Now tell me, out of these two, which is correct?
Ma'am, first one.
Harman, unmute yourself. Harman, I am saying unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now tell me, out of these two, which is correct?
Hello.
Which is correct?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your video is not visible.
Shiven, unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, Shiven, no need to say good afternoon every time, okay? So now tell me, according to you, which is correct, first one or second one?
Ma'am, 4057.
Why this is incorrect? What is the reason?
Ma'am, because 0 is not a natural number.
0 is not a natural number. This is not the reason. ये तो reason नहीं है.
Ma'am, because it is a 3-digit number.
Yes, yes, very good. This is the explanation. Because now students, you have to know the explanation. आपको ये तो पता है कि ये बनेगा, but आपको ये नहीं पता ये क्यों बनेगा. What is the reason? इसका reason क्या है? The reason is at the highest place, 0 has no value. अगर आपने 0 यहाँ लिखा है, it means this is a 3-digit number. But our requirement is based on 4-digit number. So keep in your mind. बेटा maths में explanation is very much compulsory. You have to know why you will not write 0 at the first place. Why you will not write 0 at the highest place? Because at the highest place 0 has no value, and 0 has no value, it means this will change to 3-digit number. But our requirement is of 4-digit number. So that's why this is the reason. You will not write 0 at the highest place. So whenever 0 is given in the list, always write 0 at the second place. Keep in your mind. Always write 0 at the second place. Don't write 0 at the highest place. At highest place, 0 has no value and your number will be reduced. आपका number छोटा हो जाएगा. Okay? So this is the explanation. Now, second question we will discuss tomorrow. Fine. Second question we will discuss tomorrow. From second question number third we will discuss tomorrow. Now come to the concept of successor and predecessor. Successor and predecessor. This is the next question. Now tell me, what is the meaning of successor and what is the meaning of predecessor? Whenever we will get success in our life, we will move ahead. जब भी हमें लाइफ में सक्सेस मिलती है, आपको 5th क्लास में सक्सेस मिली, आप कौन सी क्लास में आए? 6th क्लास में. 5th क्लास में थे, सक्सेस के बाद में आप कौन सी क्लास में आए? 6th क्लास में. Jump by 1. So how can we find successor? We find the successor by applying the formula given number plus 1. Okay. Now in the predecessor, in predecessor also we have one jump, but one jump back, because pre word is used for before. Pre word is used for before, pehle. So predecessor you will write given number minus 1. So you will apply this formula. So in predecessor you will apply given number minus 1, because pre means before, pehle. 5th क्लास से पहले आप कौन सी क्लास में थे? 4th क्लास में. -1. सक्सेस के बाद आप कौन सी क्लास में आए? 6th क्लास में. +1. Okay. So my question is, find the successor and predecessor of 70. This is the question. Find the successor and the predecessor of 70. Anyone? Yes. Anyone, if you want to reply, raise your hands. Sevak, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Tell me, how can you find the successor? बोलो बेटा. Sevak, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, yes.
Successor.
Ma'am, successor.
Ma'am,
one number plus.
first of all, you will write here successor. Then you will write given number plus 1. Then you will write 70 plus 1 is
71.
yes. Very
71.
much, yes, very much compulsory to write this thing. Otherwise, your half marks will be cut. You have to mention
Ma'am,
successor is equal to given number plus 1 is equal to 70 plus 1 is equal to 71. Okay. And tell me, how can we find the predecessor? Nischay, your predecessor.
Ma'am, given number.
Yes.
Ma'am, given number minus 1.
Very good. So given number minus 1. So 70 minus 1 is 69. Not 89.
69.
Who is writing here?
Ma'am,
89?
69.
Nischay, You are writing here 89, not 89. 70 minus 1, 69, not 89. So make correction. Okay? Good. Good, Sevak. So very much compulsory to write the formula. Whenever the question is based on successor and predecessor, then you have to write the formula. The formula is given number plus 1 and predecessor is given number minus 1. Students, rest we will discuss tomorrow. Fine. So bye-bye. And I will send homework through WhatsApp group.